Good morning all of you. First of all, I welcome you all to standard 10. We will be seeing the most easy and scoring subject, that is maths. But for that we have to practice a lot. Now, since we are going through corona pandemic, instead of taking online lectures, I am recording the lectures and will be uploading it on YouTube so that you can watch it anytime and any number of times. Now what we have to do, students, just go through the videos properly, solve the sums based on the topics taught in those videos, and if you are having any kind of doubts, get it clear from me. So to begin with, we are going to start with maths 1 and we are going to see the most easiest chapter from maths 1, that is probability. Now what is the meaning of the word probability? Probability, we can say that possibility, certainty or chances of anything happening. In normal, we have seen the sentences like it might rain today, India might win the match today, I might score very good in this examination, and so on. So what is probability? Probability is nothing but possibility or certainty of anything happening. Now, for example, if I am keeping 5 balls in front of you and I am telling you to choose any one. So, how many options are there in front of you? 5. So, the number of possibilities in choosing the ball is 5. In the first exercise, you are going to see the same type of sums which are asked in board examination for 1 mark. Now, before starting with the sum, we will see the concept of random experiment. Now, what is the meaning of random experiment? Random experiment is nothing but experiment whose results are known in advance but we can't predict the result. For example, if we toss a coin, we know either we will get head or we will get tail, but we are not sure whether we will get head or we will get tail. Similarly, a student appearing for an examination, the possible results are he will pass or he will fail. These all are examples of a random experiment. Now, the second concept which we are going to see is outcome. Now, what is the meaning of word outcome? Outcome is nothing but the result of a random experiment. Now, let's see practice set 5.1. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. Ajinta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran and Anandvan. So, what are the options in front of Vanita? The options are Ajinta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran, Anand 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 possibilities. Such questions are asked in board examination for 1 mark. Let's see the second sum. Any day of a week is to be selected randomly. Now what options we are having? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So therefore, there are 7 possibilities. Select one card from the pack of 52 cards. Now in this sum it is not possible to write all the possible options. So just we will mention how many cards we are having. There are 52 cards in a pack. Therefore how many possibilities are there? 52. There are 52 possibilities. Let's see the last sum. One number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. Now, what are the possible options? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Therefore, there are 11 possibilities. So here we have finished our first exercise from the chapter probability.